gives me great pleasure in welcoming you all to the CII ITC Sustainability Awards 2016. Growth strategies, whether they are for businesses or whether they are for nations, need to go beyond the economic parameters to look at the agenda of larger value creation for society.
Deveshwarji has started the CII and ITC award, which has now become a benchmark, and with 250 criteria, they have selected you. So first of all, congratulations to all the winners.
Let me also emphasize that each year these standards become higher, the evaluation much more challenging, and the task of choosing winners more complex and difficult. These awards are not merely recognition of business performance, they are recognition of how business and industry is beginning to internalize the responsibility which we all share for ensuring the ecological integrity of our planet.
We've managed impressive progress in one generation, from a time when poverty denied hundreds of millions access to basic needs, to present times when access to technology is solution to poverty.
It means a lot to us because CII's award stands for transparency, credibility, and the intense process.
So we're very happy to be here today. The award comes at a very crucial juncture where we've re-strategized CSR, and this means that we are on the right path.
If I have to describe this award in one word, it's about recognition of all the effort that we've been doing around environment management for many years.
This award means a lot. Every time we learn new things through this award.
I sincerely express my thanks to CII ITC for this initiative and helping us as well as the industries for further improvement.
This means a great significance to us, and each year I see the fire desire.
A lot of efforts have been put by our company.
I must thank CII Sustainability Awards team for conducting this and recognizing us. This is going to motivate us a lot.
No other award in India has so much of rigor.
It's a great privilege to be closely associated with our group, and it's a great honor to receive this prestigious award.
Thanks to CII and ITC for giving this award.
Working for the planet and working for the communities is in itself a huge joy.
CII ITC has given us a platform to share our work and experience with our peers in the sector.
This simply motivates us to go for much higher levels of efficiency.
It was a learning opportunity for me.
It's a different feeling altogether.
Focused, comprehensive, professional approach